Welcome back. I'm Liam. We're so glad you're here because it shows that you care about your wellness. Because wellness is not just about exercise. It's about feeling connected, having purpose, and showing up for yourself and others. This week, we're talking about the power of being in nature. Sometimes the best medicine is just outside your front door. When you unplug and get outside, the world seems larger. Look for fun ways to enjoy nature and get outside with friends, family, and coworkers. Don't forget to track your activities in your journal and follow us on social media. We'll see you next week.